Okay guys, today we're unboxing the gPed Bluetooth earbuds. The model is MA10, and yeah, let's get right into it. Very similar to, similar case, magnetic as well, but they are gPeds, and they use a micro USB Type-C. So let's see if they included. Oh yeah, they do. Just wanted to check. They do include a USB Type-C in the box. So there you go. USB Type-C with your regular USB-A. And the cool thing about these is I read they have up to 30 hours of playtime. So they'll play back up till 30 hours. Oh, keeps closing since it is magnetic. They're not shiny, they're like a matte. And I'm probably trying to pair right now. But yeah, and apparently they have actual tap features. Might not be able to see them here, but apparently you can even use Siri with them, which is interesting. I can't verify that because I only have Android, but yeah, simple, clean, and yeah, they'll go right back in here and charge up. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a quick little unboxing. Go. Booklet. Okay, yeah, see, so there is functionality for calls and skipping and playing music. I thought so. But yeah, these were the gPed Bluetooth earbuds model MA10. Thank you.